Okie dokie, this is Ms. Walker, and we're going to deal with 6.2, study guide intervention, and 6-2, skill practice. And here's my student, AJ Cole. Introduce yourself.
I already did, introduce myself.
Okay. All right, we're going to do this first problem. It's number 12 on your study guide sheet, correct?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to do 10, we're going to simplify. 10.8b squared minus 5.7b plus 7.2 minus the quantity of 2.9b squared minus 4.6b minus 3.1. The first thing we're going to do is take care of our parenthesis by doing what?
Dropping.
Okay, how are we going to do that?
We're gonna
Multiply everything through with this negative.
yeah. So
Okay.
you change.
Change
Yeah.
what? Change that to what?
Change that to a negative.
Okay, and change this to
Positive.
Okay, and change this
Positive.
to okay. So we're going to say 10.8b squared minus 5.7b plus 7.2. This, we can look at it as a -1 if we like, okay? Don't do that, but this is just giving you an idea. -1 times positive 2.9 will give me that -2.9b squared. This -1 times the -4.6b is going to give me a positive 4.6b, and this -1 times this -3.1 gives me a positive 3.1. I drop my parentheses. Now I can do what?
Combine like that.
Combine like terms. Very good. So I have like terms here. 10.8b squared minus 2.9b squared. I also have my -5.7b plus this 4.6b. And then my 7.2 added to 3.1. All right, so now what is 10.8b squared minus 2.9b squared?
7.9b squared.
7.9b squared. Very good. What is -5.7b plus 4.6b?
-1.1b.
-1.1b.
Yes.
Alrighty. What is 7.2 plus 3.1?
10.3.
10.3. Very good. Very good. All right. Next problem we're going to do, they wanted me to do that fraction problems. All right, I guess I'll do it. That was on what page?
13.
Oh, the same one? 13, and it was number 15.
15.
I want them to use the calculator on this one, but if they don't have one, which we don't, we're going to do it by hand. But if you're doing a problem like this on the ACT, you want to save time, and you want to definitely use your graphing calculator. It saves time at this point. Okay, we have 1/4 x squared. Make sure I write this down right. Minus 3/8
XY.
xy, thank you, and plus 1/2 y squared
Yeah.
minus 1/2 xy plus, thank you, 1/4 y squared minus 3/8 x squared. All right, so we still have to collect like terms on this.
Yeah.
But right now, what I want to do, and remember, this is advanced class, okay? It's algebra with trig. So they already know how to basically add fractions together. So I'm going to do it as short as I can for them. I'm going to go on and change my denominators to, find the greatest common factor. So I'm going to go on and change the denominator so they all can be the same, so I can just add and collect like terms. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
All right, so what I'm going to do is, matter of fact, I'll do it like this. I'm going to change this denominator to 8. I'm going to put x squared. I'm going to do it in two stages, 2 steps for you. I'm going to put everything, change everything to 8. Just gonna go on and change my denominator now to an 8. So I'm changing everything to 8. Are you okay with this? Me changing everything to 8?
Yeah.
Okay. Now if I change all of these, my denominator to 8, that means I have to change the top. If I change the bottom, I have to change the top. If I didn't change the bottom, then I don't have to change the top, okay? If I change the bottom, then I have to change the top. If I did not change the bottom, I don't have to change the top. 4 goes into 8 how many times?
Twice.
2 times 1 is 2. 8 goes into 8 1 time. 1 times 3 is 3. See, I don't have to change the top. 2 goes into 8.
4 times.
4 times 1 is 4. 2 goes into 8.
4 times.
4 times 1 is
4.
4. 4 goes into 8 2 times. 2 times 1 is
2.
2. 8 goes into 8 1 time. 1 times 3 is 3. Now, everything is smooth. I'm going to collect my like terms. This right here, and now all I have to do is add the top or subtract the top, whatever it tells me to do. So I'm going to collect this right here with this. And I'm going to collect my 8y with 8y. Excuse me, my xy's with my xy's. And I'm going to, this is better. I can leave these two. Now I'm just going to simplify it. So I have 2 over 8 minus 3 over 8. That's going to give me what? Negative 1 over 8x squared. Good. Now I have negative 3 over 8, and I'm collecting it with negative 4 over 8. So that's going to give me what?
Negative 7 over 8.
Negative 7 over 8x y. Very good. Now I have 4/8 y squared, and I want to add it to 2/8 y squared. That's going to give me what?
6 over 8.
That's going to give me 6 over 8 y squared. And remember, I'm simplifying, so I have to probably do one more step because of this right here. So I have negative 1/8x squared minus 7/8x y. And then I can simplify this to what?
3 over 4.
3 over 4 y squared. Yeah. Okay, this is of course one way. You could do this. I want you to do it with, I told you right now for the ACT, if you have a problem like this, I want you to use your calculator, and you all bring in your calculator. I'll show you how to use that. Any other problems you need me to do on the paper, or we're done? Those two is enough for today. I think those were the two hardest ones on there. Decimal fraction
I
problem.
mean, everything else easy.
Okay, so until next time, I will be tuning out. Do your homework. See ya tomorrow.